Hello, my name is Mohammed, and today I'm going to discuss about a topic which is called area and circumference of circle. So before I'm going to discuss about the area and circumference of circles, we need to understand about a circle. Okay, so the circle has the distance around the circle is called circumference. So this is called circumference. Okay, so this is called circumference. So circumference, this is circumference, the distance around the circle. Okay, so the distance around the circle is called circumference. The distance across a circle through its center. Okay, so it means the distance from one point to another point across the circle. Okay, this is called diameter. This is called diameter. And the distance, this is called diameter. The distance from its center, so it means there is a center point. Okay, so distance from its center is called radius. So this one is called radius. The straight line making contact at one point on the circumference. Okay, so if I make a straight line which is just touching the circumference, okay, it's called tangent. The circle, so the circumference, we can say circumference means we can call perimeter as well. Circumference means perimeter. So if you want to find a perimeter, okay, as the same as we discussed about the perimeter of a square or rectangle, so it means we need to add all sides, okay, to get the perimeter. Same as the circle, okay, we call circumference. Okay, so circumference is the distance around the circle, and the radius is just from center point to circle, and diameter is the distance across the circle from here to there, and the tangent is, this is called, if I draw a line, this one is just not across the circle, this is just tangent is a line. Okay, what line making contact one point to the circumference is called tangent. So now we are going to work out about the area and the circumference of circle. So let me take an example about how we can work out the area and circumference of circle. So very simple, very easy topic, and there is a circle, okay, and this is the circle, okay, and they are giving you the radius, okay, which is 5. So it means they are given. And the formula for area for circle is pi r square. The pi is a constant value which is given in an exam. The value for the pi is 3.142. So this is the value for pi. The formula for area for circle is pi r square, and the circumference of circle is pi d. So the pi is given. R means radius of circle, d means diameter of circle from one end to another end is called diameter. So radius, if I say the diameter, if we know that the radius is 5, so we can work out the diameter. How? Okay, so the r times 2 is called diameter. Or the diameter, if the given diameter we need to work out the radius, so what we do? We just simply diameter divided by 2, which is called radius. So now they are giving you the value. The radius is 5. So we need to work out the area of circle. So very simple, you just plug in the value. So the first A equal to 3.142, the value of pi, r square, r is given, which is 5, okay? So 5 is square. So A equal to 3.142 times 25, and the answer will be 78.55 centimeter square if the r is centimeter, okay? So it means the area for circle is 78.55 if the radius of circle is 5 centimeter. Now we need to find out the circumference. Circumference means, okay, circumference around the circle, okay? So this circle, okay? So circumference we need to find out. The formula for circumference is pi d, okay? The value of pi, which is fixed, and so it means the circumference pi is 3.142, and d means diameter, but they are giving you just radius 5, okay? And we know that just double of 5 is diameter. So r times 2 is diameter. So it means diameter will be 10. So it means the answer will be very simple. We just move one place of decimal, but the circumference is just centimeter only, because they are giving you the distance, around the circle, okay? So it means the circumference of circle is 31.42. So this is the area for circle, and this is the circumference of circle. And the same way, okay, if examiner giving you the area of circle, and they may ask about what? Okay, find the radius of circle. So you need to simply plug in the values, okay, and work out on the basis of equation, okay? So if For example, if the examiner giving you what? Okay, examiner giving you the area. Okay, so I say that what? The area, okay, we found 78 points. So the area is given, okay, reverse calculation. The area of circle is given 78.55. Right. And they ask about the radius, okay, radius or diameter, okay, of circle. So what you do, the same, you need to plug in the value of pi r square, which is a. So the a is 78.55 and the pi value is 3.142 and then r square. So this is the equation, okay. On the basis of equation, this 3.142 times with r square, okay. So if we cancel 3.142 from r, so we need to divide both sides. And this one cancel this one, okay. And if we divide 78.55, okay, which is 25 r square. And 25 is a square of 5. So it means r equal to 5. So as I my last videos, okay, if there are 3 variables, okay, and you know the 2 variables, so you can work out the one of the variables, same as, okay, you just simply plug in the value which are given in the exam and just work out, okay, on the basis of equation, okay. If the times, so you need to just divide it, okay. If it's divide, you need to times. If it's add, you need to subtract, okay, the left hand side and the right hand side on the basis of equation. And the same as, okay, they are giving you circumference, okay, which is 3.142, okay. So if I say that the circumference they are given, okay, and you need to find out diameter, okay. So circumference they are giving you 331.42 equal to pi is 3.142 and times by d. So what you do, okay, so you simply this is times, okay, when you move from the other side, okay, or just cancel 3.14, okay, and this one you need to 3.142, so this one cancel, okay, and 3 cancel, so the diameter will be 10. So it means D equal to 10. So you can work out easily, okay. Then now I'm going to move on semicircle or half circle, okay. How we work out about half circle, okay. So for example, okay, so the examiner asking about find the area of half circle, okay, or semicircle, okay. So now semi or half circle, and this is and they are giving you the radius, okay? So the radius they are giving you from this point to this point is 1 centimeter, okay? And they are asking about the area for half circle. So very simple, okay? What you do, okay? So we simply divide by, okay? So the area of half circle is pi r square divided by 2. Very simple. So you just simply plug in the value. If I say the area, the pi is 3.142 and times r is given, which is 1 square divide by 2. So 3.142 divided by 2. So which is 1.57. 1.57. So this is the area for half circle, which is 1.57. Now same as we need to work out the diameter of half circle. So diameter for half circle is, you need to understand this one. So is this circumference of circle. So circumference of circle for half circle is c pi d for the full circle, okay? But we need to find for the half circle. What we do, okay? First we need to divide by 2. And then we need to add what? Okay? We need to add d. Why d? Okay? You need to understand this thing. Okay? So this is circumference. Okay? So we are finding the area for the first circle. Okay? So it means if I find the area for first circle, okay, and just divide by 2, so it means the circle like that, okay? Okay? So it means I divide by 2, so it means this is divide by 2. And also we need to find, because the circumference or perimeter of half circle means you need to find the distance from here to here, and also you need to find the distance across the circle as well. Okay, so what you do, circumference 3.142, which is pi, and the d is okay 1, okay, r is 1, but the d is a diameter. The double of radius is called diameter, so it means you need to times by 2 and divide by 2, and the distance from the same, okay, 1 plus 1, so the total diameter is 2. So this 2 cancel with this 2. So the circumference for the half circle, if the radius is 1 centimeter, will be 3.142 plus 2, which is 5.142. So this is the circumference of half circle. So what you do, don't be confused about the formula for circumference, okay? what we did, simply divide by 2, the same as the circle, okay? We divide by 2. But when the circumference we talking about, the circumference for like a whole around the area, okay? But if we halve the circle, so we need to find we need to add the distance, from across the circle as well, from one point to another point, okay, which is D. So just divide by 2 and plus D. So this is the circumference of half circle, or we can call semicircle. Now I'm moved to the last part, which is quarter circle, okay? So circumference for half circle is pi d divided by 2 plus d. And now quarter circle, the area of quarter circle, okay? So it means there is a circle. If I say that this is the circle, okay, and just divide into 4 parts. And the examiner is asking about area and circumference of this shaded area. So it means, and they are giving it a value which is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. So it means the radius is given, which is 1 centimeter. And we need to find out area of quarter circle. So area of quarter circle is same, pi r square. Quarter means, okay, for the semicircle we divide by 2 for the area. For the quarter we need to simply divide by 4. So the area is very simple. So the pi r square divided by 4. So it means, if I put the value for what? A equal to 3.142, the fixed value for the pi, and r square means the radius they are giving you, and divided by 4. So it means the answer will be 0.785. This is the area of quarter circle, 0.8 centimeter square. And now we need to find out the circumference of quarter circle. So we need to understand about, okay, same. We know that the full circle, okay, the circumference of circle is pi times d. Same, pi times d. And then what you do? Simple, divide by, quarter means 4. But you need to understand, okay, same as, okay, for the half circle we add D, the line, okay, across the circle, one point to another point, okay, we add the formula in circle. The same as, look at here. So, that time, if I say that this is the circle, okay, so basically the circumference, okay, if I divide by 4, this one, okay, so look at this one. So basically this is the quarter circle, okay, so basically you're finding just circumference of quarter, this one, okay, pi d, okay, divide by 4, but we need to add the value of both sides, which is r, okay, and they are given, okay, which is 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So it means plus r plus r, or you can do 2 times r as well, okay. So it means, so circumference pi value is fixed, which is 3.142, and the value of d means diameter, okay. Once the 1 centimeter is a radius and double of radius is diameter, which is 2, and divide by 4 plus r is given 1, this r is also given 1. So first we need to simplify this one, okay. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So we need to do what, okay. So 3.142 divided by 3.142 divided by 2 1.57 as we previously discussed, the half of 3.142. So the circumference will be 3.57 centimeter. So this is the circumference of quarter circle. Circumference of quarter circle 3.57, and the area of quarter circle 0.785 centimeter. So it means, if I summarize, okay, circle, this is circle, and this one is semicircle, and the quarter circle is quarter circle. The area is A equal to pi r square divide by, quarter means you divide by 4, and the circumference will be, okay, pi d divide by 4 and plus r and plus r. So these are the formula they can work out, okay, easily for the full circle, half circle and quarter circle for both area and perimeter. Perimeter means circumference. So if the examiner asking about find the perimeter for circles, so it means circumference. Okay. The perimeter for half circle. Okay. So you need to use this formula. Okay. So that's it for today. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also leave your comments, and also if you want to see more topics, so let us know. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.